Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What makes carbon monoxide a hazardous air pollutant, and what are the effects on human health at both low and high exposure levels? Summary: why is carbon monoxide dangerous? It is colorless, odorless, poisonous gas that deprives the body's organs from getting oxygen by binding with red blood cells that would otherwise carry oxygen. How does it affect human health at low levels and high levels? So at the low level, carbon monoxide decreases the amount of oxygen supplied to the brain and other organs and muscles. At a high level, it can be fatal, as evidenced by numerous deaths caused by cars that are warmed up in closed garages or by exhaust gases leaking into cars. So we have the bullet points. They explain it and describe it a little bit more deeper, but the summary highlights what it's going to say. You can pause the video and read the in-depth yourself, but I don't want to repeat the summary. So they go into in-depth such as heart disease, and then they talk about just other, deeper things, such as slowing of reflexes, impaired judgment. So they go more in depth into the symptoms. Okay, so before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. So open up your program in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool. Once you have it open, click on the video option, then click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. And then hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Because this is a made-up question, they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.